Let's consider once again the problem we have on the board. So to solve this, I need to factorize this first. So to factorize that, I'm going to have negative 20x squared, which is just like multiplying the first term with the last term, equals 4x multiplied by negative 5x. Now, writing this, I'm going to have x squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 20 equals 0. So factorizing this, I have x into x plus 4 minus 5 into x plus 4. So this is x minus 5 into x plus 4 equals 0, and this equals 0. So what this implies is that x minus 5 is equal 0, or x plus 4 equals 0. And that means x is equals, moving that to the other side of the equation, x is equals 5, or x is equals minus 4. So this is the solution to our quadratic equation. Thank you, guys. All right.